you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. Welcome to my channel, Super School. And I have to share a very exciting information with you, and that is from this video onwards, I'm going to begin a vocabulary tutorial. Yes, I have seen that most of the English language learners find it quite difficult to use vocabularies and also learn the words in general. I have seen people trying to memorize the word and then trying to remember the word and use it in the sentence. But that's not possible all the time, because you can only remember some of the small words or catchy words that are used to express your general feeling. For example, if you learn the word talkative, then it's easy to remember because it relates to a word that we commonly use. But if you learn a word esoteric, how easy will it be to remember? Because this word is unfamiliar, and no matter how much you memorize or try to remember it, you will definitely struggle to use it next time you're writing something or you're speaking with someone or in an interview or any kind of practice. So that's why I have decided to prepare this short vocabulary tutorials for you, and this tutorial will be divided into small videos. So please don't forget to check out the next videos which are connected to the previous videos. Yes, so let's begin the part 1 of our vocabulary, abate. So how many of you know the word abate? Abate is a verb and it means to become less active or less intense or less in amount. So it's a verb that we use to express any action which is not enough or which is not complete. So for example, as I began my speech, my feelings of nervousness quickly abated. So the feeling of nervousness quickly abated. That means your nervousness is active, but you can feel it. But of course, you don't want to be nervous whenever you sit for any speech, right? So see the use of word in the sentence and what is its work in a sentence. It's expressing an action which takes place when you begin to do something. So now I think you have an idea how to use a word in any expression. It might be a verbal expression or a written expression, but you have to learn to know the proper use of this expression in a sentence. If you cannot appropriately use a word in a sentence, then there is no point of learning the words, right? Let me know in the comment section if I am right or not, and please do like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to follow my Facebook page and share it. Of course, you know I'm offering a course and you must join my course. Thank you so much.